In this video, we want to introduce our new 240 volt machine, and we're just going to call it the 240. So some of you may have seen our website, and the 155 machine we've said has been discontinued for a little bit of time now. And that was on purpose. The 155 machine was an absolutely fabulous beast of a machine. It wasn't even that expensive compared to some of my competitors that offer 240 voltage. The thing about the 155 is it was a little big. Now again, still not quite as big as my competitor's machine was, but this was the biggest machine we ever made because of the size of the boiler, the way the size of the box had to be made. We were still using the 2 5-liter tanks, the bike handles on the back. So this machine was fairly large, fairly heavy. As far as price went, we sold a lot of them at the price we had it at because it was still priced less expensive than my competitor at still a great PSI, which was the 155. Now, we've never tried to chase 200. We're never going to get a machine that pushes that kind of pressure. So we wanted to replace the 155 with what my opinion was something a little bit smaller, still a great performing machine, but my number one goal was to get the price down, and we've done that. So in the next video, we're going to discuss the difference between our 3 machines here, this is our new 125 machine in 120 volt. This is our new 240 volt machine at 135 PSI. And of course, this is the old discontinued 155 model. So stay tuned for the next video and we'll get into some more specifics.